All right, we're gonna go check out Wings here at Ocean Walk in Riviera Beach right after this. Okay, so here we are in Wings, which is in Ocean Walk Mall, Ocean Walk Plaza. I'm not sure what they exactly call it. But yeah, they got a ton of different beach chairs. They have a sign outside that says, everything you need to reach the beach. And I would definitely agree. We'll take a look at some of the stuff. Walk around the store. Check things out. Let you see for yourself. So you got lots of beach chairs here. If you don't want to rent one, you want to buy one, you could buy one. These ones here look kind of expensive. They're 90 bucks a piece. These are pretty hefty chairs. These ones are 60, 67. But definitely lots to pick from. All kinds to pick from. And they have the folding ones. Get yourself some umbrellas. Chairs galore. Man, I always love these little beach shops. They got stuff you didn't even know that existed. Shovels for your kids. Beach toys. Yeah, pretty cool. Snorkel masks. Snorkel gear. Fins. Whole snorkel sets. Now we'll head over into the head over towards the clothing section, but you can see here they have more toys for the beach, for building sandcastles, throwing balls. Tubes for floating. Sand shoes. You're always going to pay a premium at a store like this for things like this, so just a tip, if you want to save some money, you can get something before your trip, but then you have to pack it. So you may be better just to stop and get it while you're here. Palm Beach, Florida. Bags up there. Flip-flops. And this looks like we have women's apparel. Get the stuff that says Palm Beach on it. So Missy's here supposed to be picking out a hat for her dad. But what does she get instead? A hat for herself. She's got a million hats.
But it's really cute.
It's cute. Her dad has a million hats too, really, right?
Oh yeah.
They both collect hats.
Yeah.
Got all kinds of flip-flops. There's more beach bags.
Ooh,
Bags are overrated. Missy says she likes this bag.
I do.
Lots and lots of apparel. Shirts, hoodies, t-shirts. I don't know what this is. Some type of poncho.
Sweatshirt type thing.
Yeah. There's some fedoras, some hats, some beach hats, some sun hats, I mean, just so much stuff you can't even take it all in. How about one of those? Look at that, they even have skateboards over here. And there's so many hats, you don't even know where to start, do you? Look at a good selection of stuff. Boca clips is the best thing you can ever buy for your pool towels. We have several sets of these. They're great for clipping your pool towel to your chair. So get into Wings and buy yourself a couple sets. They're only $10. It's not too bad. All right, so we're done at Wings, and we're not going to wrap this up yet because we got to show you our Wings haul. All right, so we're back at our unit. We have our Wings haul here to show you. I bought all kinds of things at Wings. Okay, here's what we got. 2 Palm Beach hats. What were they? 2 for $25, right?
Yeah.
15 a piece, or 2 for $25. So I decided to get 2. And then we got I didn't get nothing.
No.
Missy got these 3
Wood signs.
wooden signs. So that one's Coastal Heaven, Sandy Feet Welcome, and Make Waves. Those are actually kind of cool looking, aren't they?
They're $13.
13 bucks a pop.
Yeah. And they're routed out. What do you call that?
Routed.
Routed.
Yeah. That's kind of neat.
They're neat for $13.
I think that's kind of high, don't you think?
No.
Kind of expansive.
No.
So total haul today, 3 signs, 2 hats, with tax, 68 bucks.
Yep.
Whew. I don't know if we needed it. Okay, anyway, let's wrap this up here. Okay, so we're going to wrap this up for tonight. Yeah, we went to Wings. It was great. We also went to Two Drunken Goats. If you want to see that video, there'll be a link up here. I'll put a link up here to our visit to Two Drunken Goats restaurant down there at Ocean Walk, also where Wings was. So if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and until next time, let's make your next destination a timeshare.